Oh, I thought I was taking a picture. Alright, it's 4:10 and I am making the husband go to the car wash. But over here, the car wash is like 35 minutes away. Yeah. Unless you want to do it yourself, which I don't want to. And then doing it with this girl and it being hot in our car is a disaster. And they don't wash cars like they do in California, so, but it'll be better than it was because it's just horrible. Okay? Okay. So different.
Yeah, usually you get out there. Yeah, this one does a hand wash.
Whoa. I'm gonna run him over.
Oh, come here.
Yeah.
I feel it.
Yeah? So weird. She's all happy.
This is new for you, honey. You've never done one of these before.
Yes, I remember.
You remember here, huh?
Look at him. He got our massage.
Yeah.
It does soapy.
Yeah.
That opposite.
It's gonna get you, the octopus.
I'm not.
You're not scared. Whoa.
Yeah, these colors. Yeah.
Ooh.
Pink.
Yeah, it's pink.
Not just.
Did you unhook yourself, Nia?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're so shiny. Shiny.
All that because she fell asleep on the way home. And she went into a deep sleep and it's like 6 something. This week we've been practicing going to bed at 9, which has been working. And she was upset because we woke her up, and that's what happens every time. And then to top it off, Daddy promised to take her for a walk, and so she sees that it's dark, so she thinks it's too late, and he's like, we'll go. And she just cried for like 15 minutes. What the heck? What is this? I don't even, is that from, I don't even know what the heck this is from. So, it is 7:07 and that's pretty much my day. I got to retake my blood pressure because it was like 170/118. I forgot to take my pills. It was so good yesterday, so I don't know. You know what? Let's go check it, and then I'll start editing so that I could upload. Well, I'm not really going to edit. I'm just going to put everything together. Well, I ended up not editing. So I will edit tomorrow morning and post it. It is now almost 11. I bit my tongue. Oh, it hurts.
I bought my tongue.
Before I go,